morning. This is a relatively, hopefully quick video regarding this nooelec Balun 19. This is a long wire Balun, receive only, no transmit. Meant for SDR radios, or it could probably use for anything else. Let me show you real quick my setup. What you see is the white tube of PVC on the end of another length of PVC pipe is a Pardot mini whip, and then below that there's a long wire that's about 86 feet long in a general north easterly direction, and then it cuts a corner and goes east, and it has about 10 feet of vertical. Anyways, so normally I don't even bother with having a Balun, but for some reason people say you need it. I don't know. I've connected antennas directly to my SDR, and they seem to work better that way. But anyways, I bought this, and my setup is such that, well, let me go back one. It comes with 3 connectors. This is one of them. This one, the wires go straight in. There's one that comes in at a right angle, and there's another one I'm not sure what it's for, and I don't have it with me, and you can see it on when these are for sale. I do not ever link to any particular seller or site, because in many cases, by the time some people see this video, they may not be able to get these. So, one thing I will note is that it's not marked on the outside of the case, but that if yours is set up like mine, and it looks like this on the back, this side is ground and this side is antenna, and I've marked that on my connectors. It's also marked on the circuit board, since that seemed to be a confusion for some people. I'm using it with Hack RF1 SDR. It works pretty good. Compared to my old setup at my old house, which had about 100 or so feet of long wire, this seems to work better. It could be the orientation, that I maybe did a better job of putting up the long wire in this case. I'm not sure. And in comparison to the mini whip, which I purchased my mini whip as a kit, and while the mini whip does work pretty good for considering it has such a small antenna on it, it seems to be about 10 or 15 decibels less gain or reception than the long wire. But anyways, this video is mostly to let you know that yes, this thing does work. You hook it up to a random wire, and you get pretty good connections. I'm in the Southwest, and in the daytime I was testing it out, and I was picking up some 40-meter sideband traffic from somewhere in California, about 400 miles from me. It was not very loud. This was during the day, somewhere around 10 or 11, but I was able to pick it up. I've not had much of a chance to use it at night, but early in the morning or late in the evening I can pick up WWV on 5 and 10, and it works perfectly with AM. Super sensitive, or I don't know if this thing is sensitive, but the antenna is definitely sensitive. So anyways, that's it. It works. Later.